Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up card controls in Bank of America app, security customization step by step clearly. Open the Bank of America app on your mobile device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu. Look for the Accounts section and select it. Choose the specific account linked to the card you want to customize. Scroll down to find the Card Controls option and tap on it. In the Card Controls menu, you'll see various customization options. To enable or disable your card, toggle the on-off switch accordingly. If you wish to set spending limits, select the Spending Limit option. Enter the desired amount and confirm your selection. To restrict usage by category, locate the Transaction Types settings. Select which categories you want to allow or block. Next, tap on Geolocation Controls if you want to set location restrictions. Enable the feature to limit card use to specified geographic areas. Review all your settings to ensure they meet your preferences. Once satisfied, tap Save to apply the changes. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated. For additional security, consider setting up alerts for transactions. Customize the notifications in the Alerts section for real-time updates. Always make sure to log out after making changes for security purposes. Your card controls are now set up successfully. You can revisit this menu anytime to adjust your settings as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.